Hello, good morning, students.
Hello.
Good morning, everybody. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
All of you are fine? Doing well? Okay, all right. So just wait for a while for your friends so they can join and we can start then. All right. So you're having your books with you already, students? Today, our class is English grammar. All right, students, take out your books and we can start. All right. So today we are going to learn present simple tense, page number 33. Page number 33. Okay. All right, students, are you ready? Students, are you ready? I can't hear you. Okay. All right. So we already learned in last week class about present simple tense. So present simple tense, those are actually used to while we talking about something that are usually true or always true. Okay, that means like you are used to talk about your habits, okay, or your routine. What are your routine, your habits, and those are usually true. So those are the present simple tense. Okay, so present simple tense. Then each sentences we having affirmative sentence, negative sentences, and we having question sentences. Okay, so affirmative sentences, those are actually indicates as a positive sense, in the positive sense. Okay, and negative sentences, those are what we talking about something which are in negative sense. Okay, and questions, those are always while you are asking about something, you would like to know about something. So those are question sentences, and in the end, we are going to use question mark for that as well. Okay, so here present simple, for example, affirmative, we having I am, then in negative we are going to use not. Okay, anything it's in the negative sense, so that means we are going to use not with that. So I am not or I'm not. And then if you are asking about question, so auxiliary verb is gonna come before the subject. Okay, so am I or are you? So those are the question sentences. Okay, then for example, another subject we have like you are, or we can say you are. Then negative sentence, it will be you are not. All right, or you can say you aren't. Then the question question sentence, it will be are you, while you are asking about something. Okay, you would like to know, you would like to ask, so are you. Then similar other subjects like he, she, it. Okay, so he, she, it, we are going to use is, he is, she is, or it is, or we can say that way, he's, she's, it's, like he comma with is, and she comma with is, it comma with is. So that means he's, she's, it's. Similar like that, if you would like to make a negative sentence of that, so he is not, right? He is not, she is not, or it is not. Or instead of that, we can also use he's, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't. Okay, then similar subject, if you are using in the question, so is he, you are going to bring the is before the subject. Okay, so is he, or is she, or is it? Okay, then we're talking about the other subjects. For example, we are. All right, so we can say we are. Then in negative sentence, it will be we are not, or we aren't. In the question sentence, are, it will come before the subject. Okay, so are we? Then other subjects like they. So they are, right? They are. They are. Then negative sentence, we are going to use not with that. Okay, so they are not, which is in the negative sense. Okay, or instead of that, we can use they aren't. All right, question sentence, if you like to make, so are, it will come before the subject. Okay, so are they, so it will become the question sentence, and don't forget to put in the end the question mark. So if you like to use with the other verbs, okay, so other type of words, for example, here we having like a play, sing. All right, so other verbs, here we having play, sing, talks, write, think. Okay, these are like having subject I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are all subjects, right? Subject is the doer who is doing. Okay, and other verbs, the action. So play. So for example, affirmative sentence in the positive sense, if you like to make I play. Okay, so what we're gonna do in the negative? In the negative, with you have to note here the subjects, they're having I, we, and they. All right, so I, we, they, you. What we're gonna use in the negative, we are going to use the auxiliary verb do. Okay, here all you can see we are going to use do. All right, but with he, she, it. Okay, three of the subjects here, like he, she, it. What we're gonna do, we are going to use does or does not. Okay, in the negative sense, then we are going to use not. Okay, but you have to remember, while we're talking about a third person, okay, a third singular person, like he, she, it. Okay, so we are going to use does. And other subjects like I, we, you, they. Okay, with these we are going to use do. And if it is question, if it is negative sentence, so do not. Okay, like I do not. You do not. We do not. Or they do not. Okay, so you have to keep in mind only in he, she, it. Okay, with the subject we are talking about the third person. Okay, the singular third person, when we're talking about, we are going to use does. Okay, or if it is negative, then we are going to use does not. All right, now look at here the examples. Affirmative sentence, we have subject with the verb. I, it's a subject. Verb, we have play. Okay. So the negative sentence, if you would like to make, what we're going to do, we are going to add do not. All right. I do not play. Or we can say, I don't play. Then if you would like to make a question, question sentence, so the auxiliary verb, do, it will come before the subject. Okay. So do I play? All right. So do, it will come before the subject in the question sentences. Okay, students. Now look at the other sentence like you sing. Okay, it's a present simple sentence. You sing. You is the subject. Sing is the other verb. Okay. So if you like to make negative sentence of that, what we're gonna do? Subject, you, and then we are going to put auxiliary verb do not and sing. Okay. And if you like to make a question sentence, so do, it will come before the subject. Do you sing? Okay, you sing. Negative, you do not sing. And question will be, do you sing, while you're asking. Okay. Then another sentence we have, for example, he takes. Okay. So negative sentence, it will be he does not takes. He does not take. Okay. We are going to use does, and we are going to use the single form take. He does not take, or she does not take, or we can say he doesn't take, she doesn't take, it doesn't take. Okay. Then the similar sentence, if you would like to make question, all right, so does, it will come before the subject. Okay, before the subject, like he, she, it, the singular third person. All right, so we are talking about somebody else. Okay, so that means it's a third person, singular person. Okay, so does, it will come before subject. So does he take, or does she take, or does it take? Okay, now another sentence, we having subject we. Okay, we write. All right, so negative will be we do not write. Question sentence, it will be do we write, while we are asking. Okay, do we write? Then other subject like they think. All right, so negative would be they do not think. Do they think? It will be in the question sentence. Okay, so you have to remember, students, I, we, you, they, we are going to use do. And if it is negative, we are going to use do not. Okay, and if it is question, so do will come before the subject. And other subjects, he, she, it. Okay, so I'll be talking about third person, singular person. So what we're gonna do, we are going to use does. All right, does. And if it is negative, then does not or doesn't. Okay, in the negative. And the word will change. Take, it's a verb, right? So here the verb, it will be change with the okay. So now let's have some of the practice. Okay, students, you understand that? Affirmative, when we're talking about something in the positive sense. Negative sentence, those we're talking about in the negative sense. And question sentence, those are while we are asking about something. We would like to know about something. Okay, students, you understand that?
Yeah.
Let's have some of the practice.
Yeah.
Okay, now here you can see am I late? It's a question mark you can see here. So yes, I am. Yes, I am. Is it affirmative or negative? Students? Yes, I am. Is it affirmative or negative?
Affirmative.
Very good. Affirmative. No, I'm not. That one is
Negative.
Negative. Very good. Similar like that. With the other word, we have do I know. So do I know? It is affirmative, negative, or question. Students, do I know? Is it affirmative, negative,
No.
or question?
Question.
Very good. It's a question. Do I know? So yes, I do. Affirmative. Right? No, I don't. That is negative. Similar. Are you Kim? That means question. Right? Yes, you are. That's affirmative. No,
Affirmative.
you aren't. It's negative.
Negative.
Now, is he alone? Question, right? Yes, he is. Affirmative. No, he isn't. Negative. Okay. Now, are you happy? These are you happy? When you are asked, somebody asking from you question. Okay, are you happy? So if you would like to answer affirmative in the positive sense. So yes, we are. Are we happy? Yes, we are. If the answer is in the negative sense, so we would say, no, we aren't. Similar, we having the question, are they twins? Somebody asking the question, are they twins? So if you like to answer affirmative in the positive sense, that means yes, they are. And if you like to answer in the negative, no, they aren't. Okay. Now look at having with the other verbs. So if you're having question, do you understand? So if you would like to answer affirmative in the positive sense, what would you say? Yes, you do, right? No, negative. No, you don't. Then
Negative.
if having question, does she work? So the positive, it will be yes, she does. Okay, we're talking about third person. Yes, she does. If the answer is in the negative sense, so that means no, she doesn't. Similar like that, do we sit there? You're asking, somebody asking the question, do we sit there? So if the answer is in the positive sense, so it will be yes, we do. Or if it is in the negative sense, that means no, we don't. All right. Now, do they have cars? So positive answer, it will be yes, they do. And negative answer will be no, they don't. Okay, students, you understand that?
Yes.
Only one yes? All of the, okay, now let's have some of the practice of affirmative and negative. Okay, now we have here a sentence, it is a black cat. So if you like to make a negative, so that means it isn't a black cat. Okay, now another sentence we have, we like chocolates. Okay, so what will be the negative? We like chocolates.
We like chocolate is the affirmative.
Okay, now what will be the negative sentence? Can you make for me?
We don't like chocolate.
Very good. We don't like chocolates, or we can say we do not like chocolates. Now we have a negative sentence here. I don't wear a uniform. So it is a negative sentence, right? Now, if you would like to make affirmative, what will be the sentence?
I wear a uniform.
I wear a uniform. Very good. Now, she reads a magazine. Affirmative. Now, what will be the negative?
She doesn't
Very
read.
good. She doesn't read magazine, or she does not read magazine. Okay, now they are not angry. Negative. What will be the affirmative?
They are angry.
They are angry. Very good. Okay, you want a new bike. Affirmative. What will be the negative?
You don't want a new bike.
Very good. You don't want a new bike. Okay, now he isn't 6 years old.
He's 6 years old.
He's 6 years old, or he is 6 years old. Okay, students. So you can see here, which here, he, she, it. As I already mentioned, we use does or does not, right? And I, we, they. We are going to use do. Okay, students. Now, let's talk about a bit more affirmative and questions and answer. Okay, so here we're having affirmative sentence. They eat rice. Okay, subject, what is doing? Eating the rice. Okay, and question is, do they eat rice? So the answer would be yes, they do. Okay, now we're having a question sentence. Am I sorry? The answer is no, I'm not. So what will be the affirmative sentence?
I think is I sorry.
I am sorry. Right? I am sorry. Okay. Now we're having another sentence here. You play well. Okay. And question is, do you play well? If you are asking, so what will be the answer? Let me ask from one student. Okay. Let me ask from Nana. Do you play well? What will be the answer?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you do. Yes, I do, right? Yes, you do, right? Okay. Now we have she speaks Thai. Okay. So answer is no, she doesn't. Okay. What will be the question? Question, let me ask from Dew. Affirmative we have, she speaks Thai. What will be the question?
Is speak Thai.
Question again, please.
Is speak Thai.
Does she speaks Thai? Very good. So does, it will come before the subject. So does she speaks Thai? Okay, now next sentence we have, it works. Okay, now question is, does it work? So what will be the answer? Let me ask from Kwan. Does it work? What will be the answer?
Yes. Yes. It does.
Very good. Yes, it does. Okay, I already tell you he, she, it. We are going to use does. Okay. I, we, you, they. We are going to use do. All right. Okay. Now we're having a question here. Are they bored? So what will be the affirmative? Let me ask from Adin. Are they bored? What will be the affirmative sentence?
They are bored.
Very good. They are bored. And how about answer? What will be the answer? No.
No, they are bored.
No, they are not. Or no, they aren't. Very good. Okay, now final sentence. We have affirmative. We drink tea. So what will be the question? Let me ask. Mangkon. Mangkon. All right.
Mangkon, are you here? Answer, teacher, please. Don't be shy.
We drink tea. Okay, let me ask from Panton. We drink tea. What will be the question? Sentence. What we are going to use? Do. You remember? All right. Supakon. We drink tea. What will be the question? I already mentioned we have to use do before subject. Okay, do we drink tea? Okay, now how about the answer? What will be the answer?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Yes, very good. Yes, we do. Okay, so here you can see in the question, do will come before the subject, and in the answer, we would say, yes, we do. Okay, all right, so here now we have to look in the affirmative sentence with he, she, it. The verbs are changed, okay? So here we have the rules, how the verbs are going to change. So if the verbs end in SH, CH, SSX, all right, ZSO. So what we're gonna do? We are going to add es. So most of the verbs, they are end with, we are going to add es, but the verbs which are end with sh, ch, ss, x, z, s, o. So we are going to use es, the verb we are going to add with that. Okay. So for example, like read, so we are going to use s, so reads. And the other verbs, like for example, watch. So watch, here we can see it ends with the ch. Okay, so what we are going to use? We are going to use es, watches. All right. And other than that, one consonant plus y. So if the verb end with one consonant and they're having plus y, so what we're gonna do? We are going to cut y and add ies. So you can see here consonant before y, they're having d. So study, right? So y we are going to cut here and we add ies. Okay. And other than that, if they're having one vowel plus y, so what we're gonna do? We are going to add s. Okay, so the vowel you can see here, anything like you can see here, for example, play. So before y, a, e, I, o, u. I repeat, a, e, I, o, u. Okay, these are the vowels. All right, so if it is before y, so what we're gonna do? We are going to add x. We are going to add s. Okay, students, so just remember, normally most of the words we have to add s. So it will change with he, she, it. Okay, And if the verbs end with sh, ch, ss, x, z, s, o, so we are going to add es. These are the examples here, okay? And if they're having one consonant plus y, so we are going to cut the y and add ies, okay? Here is the example. And if they're having, if the verb have one vowel plus y, so we are going to add simple s, like play, plays. Okay, so here you can see some of the sentences. So I walk, right? So the verb we are going to add here, she walks, s. Here you can see it's a simple, most of the verbs, so we are going to add s. Okay, now we have you see. All right, so see, he, it will be, we are going to add s or es. Anyone can answer? He, what will be the verb? The verb will change to?
He sees.
He sees. That's right. S double E S. Okay, now we have here, we teach. So here it ends with CH, right? So what we gonna do? It will change to
Teach.
T. So ES, very good. So here we have the verb, it ends with CH. Okay, so we are going to add ES. Now, another sentence we have, they cry. Okay, they cry.
Cry.
So R they have, you can see here the consonant before Y. So what will be? He
Cry. He cries.
He cries. CRIES. We are going to cut Y and add IES. Okay, now you look nice. Here, it. What we're gonna do? We are going to add S or ES.
It looks.
Yeah, it looks nice. And we are going to add S. Looks. Okay. Now, I stay. So, I stay. You can see here with the vowel A plus Y. So, what will be the next? It will change to she.
She stays.
She stays. Okay, so we are going to add a simple S. You can see here the vowel right before Y. Okay, so that means stays. Now, they wash the cars. So we have here, he wash. What we gonna do? You can see here SH. The verb ends with the SH. What we gonna add?
Washes.
He washes, but we are going to use S or ES.
ES.
ES, very good. You can see here SH, when it ends with the verb ends with the SH, so we are going to add ES. So that means washes. Okay, washes the car. He washes the car. Now, last sentence we have, we say hello. So she says, we are going to use S or ES.
ES. Yes.
A, you can see here before Y, vowel A.
IES. IES.
Here you see vowel plus Y. What we gonna add?
Y. S.
S. Right, so she says hello. Okay, just remember students, if they're having one vowel plus Y, so add S. If they have one consonant plus Y, cut Y and add IES. And if it ends with the SH, CH, SS, X, Z, S, O, so you have to add ES. All right. Okay, now let's have a bit more practice. Here in the sentences, they're having a little bit error, mistakes. So we are going to make correct. Like the first sentence we have, she likes school. So here we are going to add the verbal change with S. So she likes school. Now, sentence number 2, I am not agree. What will be the correct sentence?
I think it's I am not put the N in the angry.
I not, before not, what we use? Remember? I, we, you, they.
Done.
Don't, very good. I don't agree. Okay, now sentence number 3. We have, he don't have a cat.
I think if he doesn't have a cat.
Very good. He doesn't have a cat. Because he, she, it, we use does. Okay. Now, you do not hungry.
I think it, you don't hungry.
You do not hungry. If you're asking, you are hungry. You are hungry. And the negative will be you are not hungry. You are, right? Okay. Now, question sentence we have, do they want cake? So, what is the mistake here?
Do they want the don't have the S?
Exactly. They don't have the S. So they want cake. Okay. Now, sentence number 6. We is not sure. Let me ask from one student.
Okay.
Tonchaya. We is not sure. What is the mistake?
We is sure.
No. He, she, it we use is we use are. We are not sure or we aren't sure. Okay. Like we, they, you, we are going to use are, right? We are, they are. Okay. Now, sentence number 7. Do you play golf? Yes, I am. What is the mistake? Adin. Do they play golf? Yes, I am.
Do you want to play golf?
Affirmative.
Me, no, me. We know.